and to cause social that so Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu aguna nyame tiase bema ba for a record show host ono ana trendy ama Kevin Taylor tiri so media na so omo twa na chima ni nyina for program we so course na Washington DC USA Montana so at iconic Kennedy Center as Donald Trump wo mu bie hono ana Afrifa de ensem bi ko to your hono more in fact na ensem no emu ehwam mema nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me wo comment section aha Penyah block media mess one say need mo obe like video no under my subscribe button so na back like notification icon no latest updates na ba kire wadwen ama me wo comment section mess so baso no akire for so anya bi ahwe nansi emu 23rd September 23rd October yem enche bia eno say US honum no Afrifa a launch ultra modern just all set up ultra modern studio as enche bia for a record show host program no enche bia for a record program no ebeba live on your screen
for the records precisely so tell them pound for pound oh welcome to the United States Nana Pia for the records for the people precisely so tell them who speaks the truth for the records who fights for Ghana for the people for the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot not left not right for the people for Ghana we will not be silenced cancelled or erased we are the reckoning the reckoning rise up stand tall Ghana for the people justice for all
as if you are said there be na na Monday Wednesday Saturday na enche bia Afrifa set multi-million-dollar studio USA Montreal IS enche bia na obeba na obema update back to back said there etie no na eyen no asem like on say nansan mu ohe media ne so Africa hanum no ade bi start koso as enkremofo no omu ekuo bi epi on enkremofo ni mu a omu tie atua wa Christopher so ma yin say a start Nigeria any Sudan den Nigeria na those Al-Qaeda ne say ifo no but Sudan ne ASM akwa bi I friend say lulu say hwan ana abo nipa bia no kremofo ni bia mo soldiers fo abo ma no enum etuo ahehye no so matesi montana na mu hia wa we Christian a obo so mu tuo mu so sa ne ahia we busa say obe deny with Christian name obe deny with faith as a Christian will you deny Jesus Christ o can no ene na because a bulletin assume a very massive massacre as a day yetimi kunipa over 1,500 a day enema koso Sudan no enya de kuma na eno enema CPAC a hosting program bi ya to the Christian Persecution Summit ene Washington DC USA Montana so ema program no Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu na ono so one of the guests in fact chairman of Afrifa chairman of Generational Right Protection Society that is GRPS and what civil and human right advocate the position no Afrifa go pm was na hono and is a busa na ensem bi efa ade a ekoso ewo Sudan de ni kremofon hono mo no ensem way and Afrifa kan
livelier revival music. That's what I'm going to request. Hannah, can we have revival music? Don't put these... I want you to share with us what has to be done from a protecting these places of worship internationally and in your continent.
Right. Thank you, Mrs. First of all, I think we must acknowledge the courage that our brothers have shown in the face of these crimes being perpetrated against them for the faith they believe in. I think we must give it up for our brothers. Let's put our hands together for them. Now, Mercedes, with that said, I just want to draw our minds to the point that all throughout human history, anytime the church has been under attack, it is the church that defends itself. So Christendom should not be positioned to be some sort of a weak link for the other people to be emboldened that they have some monopoly over violence and they will continue to persecute the Christian faith. But with that said, I believe that governments, especially on the African continent, have a social contract with the people, a constitutional mandate to protect the people. So nobody should be left untouched if they perpetrate this crime against people who believe in their faith. So first of all, I call on the African continent, the governments of the African continent, the African Union, because in the African Charter for Human and People's Rights, it is enshrined the freedom of worship. So why are they not doing anything? If they will not do anything, I believe America has always been the big brother who is always championing. America must impress on these governments, and international bodies must equally impress on these governments to do the right thing to protect the Christian faith. Other than that, the Christian faith must defend itself at all means possible.
Well, I mean, it actually brings up a great point, which is accountability, Christy. So walk me through in terms of these areas where you have these authoritarian governments, you have the Islamic militants. It's all about money too, because they're trying to get these rare minerals in Africa at the cost of the lives. I've seen these videos over and over again of these innocent men, women, and children where they are beheaded. They have to give up their Christian name. If you don't give up your Christian name, you are slaughtered. To what point is that fixable? Is that possible to get to a point that we're being able to protect Christians in these areas, but also, knowing that that we're not alone in this fight? Because I almost feel like Americans they're not aware of this issue that's happening.
Right, so you made a point to the effect that authoritarian leadership and jihadists and all these people perpetrating crime. What we've not averted our minds to is that the persecution of the church is equally an existential threat to even democracy. Because wherever the church has been weakened, democracy does not thrive.
Right.
So I believe that all government that believes in democracy must come to the defense of the Christian faith. Now, with that said, it leaves us, the Christians, with only one thing. There's a hymn when I was sitting down, it kept ringing, onward, Christian soldiers marching us to war, with the cross of Jesus going on before. I don't want Christians to start. I like what he said, that we must be vigilant, but we must not be afraid. I think it is time that all Christians across the world must rise up and speak against this criminal dastard act being perpetrated by these criminals and cowards who believe that their existence is the extension of the Christian faith. I think we must go back to our militancy of Christendom. Then they will know that they don't have monopoly over violence. I believe so.
I think, Christy, I want to get your final thoughts here in terms.
Now, our response, Afrifa making, in fact, a very nice submission, and Afrifa gave you out. Now, Afrifa, I'm the answer Kevin tell us for US economy, and the Bianca tell us or put a free faso. But you Kevin tell us or not in the studio economy. You use a video be crab by it, would be a water picture, what pose be, Debbie. You can tell about 3 bia, you know, be honest or not in the studio. Upiabo and the video be a pop up on the internet, say, or call America for so many years. But everyone call of course, but be not gathering or can't be. Yes, or young people for crowd gathering be, it was not or posy, Montrose or your picture of flex. Say, no tunnel, no in Hano or Jinny. And so Kevin tell you won't be bisa ewomu. Let's say our conference as a would in the basement or in the kitchen, said there be no everybody to listen. I say, Kevin, our conference as all in the kitchen. Now, if our program will not end, no, a free for a year, there's a comedian or comment session for no. Aben Swesi Kevin, a comedy Taylor. So, when in Zambia, Eka, Obicha say, oh, Kevin Taylor is not our mate. Oh, there we Kevin Taylor there. For the record, Emmanuel, Kevin Taylor is not our mate. And obviously, I say, MPP members are busy learning why NDC members are busy insulting people under comment section. I say, oh, hey. And obviously, I say, where is Kevin Taylor? Where is Kevin Taylor? Say, on was a basement or that you to Kevin she basement. Kevin, what your basement do? Or did you mean I'm trying to come class? And you would say, where is Kevin Taylor there? We knew how our officer what you know answer no. And this will never see this pains. Just say pains. Oh yes, oh I'm gonna make tiasi. Pia on and I won't cancel. Look at the deep voice. Yes, every voice in fact. Chimano. What I say? Every voice or the chimano. Always say his voice, you. That is if oh his voice, you. I am sharing this on Twitter. Amatera is in trouble today. Oh, can you tell what you say because every finance year no buy you know. You're hosting program Washington DC. I'm on what movie. Kevin Okoye. Da Okoye. Ebra papa ben no bono ho. Ye no so no myself. Atem di dem kwento no. Enyansa fo hia. Ye mfra. So, for the record to the whole yes, the whole world, only his voice. Precisely so. Precisely so. My king, may your days be long for the real cause. The other guy will think this is AI. Other guy, you'll be a AI can That's what I'm video we know. Can we try to go there? Kai, Thailand, wait AI, David. Every papa know to them AI. And I am so proud of you. Hey, how will Kevin Taylor sleep tonight? Let's say, and you know, Kevin Taylor, won't check the pressure, mommy, won't check. Oh, that won't check the pressure, mommy, won't check it, mommy. Oh, go high. Congratulations. Nice one, bro. I am so proud of you, Nana. Ghana have great leaders from MPP. Well done. I say, acquire guy. I woman in the name. Oh, yeah, guy. Oh, I was here to say, oh, massa. Oh, yeah, guy. What I say? Oh, yeah, guy. Congratulations, super duper. Precisely so, the man of the moment. Kevin Taylor has been in America for several years, but no impact. But Afrifa has been there less than 1 year, and he's making his name. What I say? Just like Kevin Taylor, bro. Oh, Evisha, hey, or making any positive impact. But Afrifa, I call less than a year. No, or Ginny Dinges or Ginny Homena. What I say? Although, where is Kevin Taylor? Where? Kevin Taylor, mon friend Kevin Taylor, mommy. Where was Kevin Taylor at that time? He is not invited. Yeah, friend, no. I sound the phone answer. What I say? Just say, mon friend Kevin Taylor, mommy. Kevin Taylor will speak to you over there. Oh, okay. Kevin Taylor, no, Kevin Taylor, Kevin Taylor. Oh, Okatakyie is far gone. We invite the wise, not the talkatives. Oh, your friend answer for about you. Any of them want to console them. Quite a Debbie. Your friend answer for. Go what I don't know. Washington this one. Your friend answer for. Oh, your mom can say answer wo mutrimu. I didn't know. By this time, dear, kwasi a bit in a kitchen. I can kwasi yourself. Hey, I'll betray him. I'm going to say, I'll betray. What's it? Kwasi a bit one guy. One of you know good day. What is it? Although, please, we team Kevin Taylor is not ready to learn. Oh, yeah, what Kevin Taylor found there? Yeah, reservation radio. Jimmy na, ya tias, ya jitu. Jimmy na. What is it? Jimmy na. Oh, some people will say it's AI. Some people call it Ayubia. And this is for Sharon no grow Ayubia. Omega said this is AI. Please, someone should call Kevin Taylor for me. Why? Oh, mon friend, mommy. Oh, my phone. Mon friend Kevin Taylor, mommy. Mon friend, mommy. What is it? I'm going to meet you. Oh, where is Mr. All Knowing? Mr. All Knowing. If you are saying, oh, why? Kevin Taylor, why? Oh, why? Why is Kevin Taylor? Asante your Mayam. Just a media, and so there. Minister Nana, Kevin Taylor, the pressure now. Rise here, I will come. Million figures. I say an enchibia na Afrifa ni studio no. Oyan American no. E treasure out to me say Monday, Wednesday, Saturday bia no. Afrifa e be ba live. Chira wa adwen ma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Akra.